In today's European construction world, power alone is no longer enough. The real winners are machines that combine strength, efficiency, safety, and adaptability. And that's exactly where one truck stands above the rest, the Mercedes-Benz Arocs. At an exclusive off-road testing event in Germany, operators pushed the Arocs through deep water, loose gravel, steep climbs, and brutal terrain. This wasn't a show, it was a stress test. And under every extreme condition, the Arocs did exactly what it was built to do: dominate the job site without breaking a sweat. Engineering designed for heavy reality. And the Arocs family was designed from the ground up for one environment: the unpredictable world of construction. Unlike long-haul trucks that live almost entirely on highways, construction vehicles face extreme conditions daily. They need rigid durability without sacrificing flexibility, power without excessive fuel use, and technology without complexity. Central to the Arocs design philosophy is its torsion-flexible frame. This structure provides exceptional resistance to twisting forces, allowing the chassis to absorb stress rather than transfer it to sensitive components. The result is a platform capable of carrying extremely high payloads without compromising long-term durability. This flexible but strong design also supports a wide range of body types. Whether configured as a three-way tipper, rear tipper, roll-off container truck, or fully customized specialty vehicle, the Arocs adapts to various construction roles effortlessly. One day it can be delivering crushed stone to an urban work site, the next hauling excavation material through rural mud tracks. Few trucks provide this level of functional versatility without mechanical complexity. Configurations that fit the job, not the other way around. Construction work is never uniform, and Mercedes-Benz understands that one configuration cannot serve every operation. That is why the Arocs is offered in multiple axle arrangements, including 4x2, 6x4, and full 8x8 variants. Operators can choose between steel-suspended or air-suspended axles depending on whether ride comfort, maximum payload, or extreme terrain capability is the top priority. One of the most significant developments in recent models is the introduction of an optional 9-ton front axle. This feature drastically improves vehicle stability when fitted with heavy equipment or load-bearing attachments. It also increases front axle durability during harsh off-road operation, making it ideal for industries such as quarrying, forestry, and large-scale infrastructure construction. The Arocs range has essentially removed the need to make do with compromise. Instead of forcing trucks into roles they were never optimized for, companies can now specify vehicles that are purpose-built for the exact conditions they operate in. Engines that work smarter. The heart of every heavy truck is its engine. In the case of the Arocs, Mercedes-Benz equips its construction line with modern Euro 6 diesel engines designed to combine brute strength with intelligent fuel management. The engine lineup includes the OM470, OM471, and OM473 power units, which offer outputs ranging all the way to 460 kilowatt, 625 horsepower. More importantly than power alone, these engines deliver exceptionally high torque at low engine speeds. This allows the Arocs to start smoothly under load, climb steep terrain with confidence, and maintain control when operating at low speeds on uneven ground. Fuel consumption has been a critical focus, especially amid rising operational costs and stricter European emissions regulations. Through advanced combustion control, exhaust aftertreatment systems, and efficient engine mapping, the Arocs delivers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Lower fuel usage means reduced operating costs and fewer refueling interruptions. A vital advantage for remote or high-volume work sites. A transmission that thinks ahead. Raw power is useless without proper control. That is where the advanced automated transmission comes into play. The Arocs uses PowerShift Advanced, an intelligent automatic gearbox designed specifically for heavy-duty work. Unlike conventional systems, it can predict upcoming driving conditions based on throttle input, gradient data, and vehicle load. This means gear changes are not only faster but smarter. On loose gravel slopes or wet surfaces, the transmission ensures that torque delivery remains stable, preventing wheel spin and maintaining constant traction. When descending loaded hills, it helps keep the vehicle balanced and under control, reducing brake wear and improving driver confidence. For drivers, this also means less physical strain. Long days on rugged terrain no longer involve constant clutch work and gear shifting. Instead, power shift takes over the workload, allowing operators to focus on positioning and safety rather than mechanical operation. Traction. When you need it, without the weight. One of the most innovative features of the Arocs range is its hydraulic auxiliary drive, commonly referred to as HAD. Unlike full mechanical all-wheel drive systems, HAD operates only when traction is required. The system delivers hydraulic power to the front wheels when sensors detect slipping, improving grip instantly. Once traction is restored, the system disengages automatically. The benefit is twofold. First, the truck gains improved off-road capability in difficult terrain without carrying the permanent weight and fuel penalty of full-time all-wheel drive. Second, maintenance requirements are reduced because fewer mechanical components are under constant stress. For operators driving mainly on road but occasionally facing muddy or snowy conditions, HAD provides exactly the assistance required. Not more, not less. Braking safety under extreme loads. And managing heavy loads on steep slopes is one of the most dangerous tasks in construction logistics. To counter this risk, Mercedes-Benz offers an advanced turbo retarder clutch system for the Arocs. This wear-free technology combines starting assistance, controlled deceleration, and load management into one integrated system. When starting on a gradient, the retarder prevents rollback. When descending, it provides controlled braking without overheating traditional brakes. This dramatically increases safety, especially when hauling heavy materials downhill or positioning the truck precisely on sloped surfaces. It also extends the lifespan of conventional braking components, reducing maintenance downtime. Technology that protects lives, not just assets. Construction sites are unpredictable environments populated by heavy machinery, workers on foot, cyclists, and traffic. Recognizing this risk, Mercedes-Benz has built a strong safety framework into the Arocs lineup. One of the most advanced systems is Active Brake Assist 6. This system can detect pedestrians and cyclists even at intersections and initiate emergency braking if necessary. It operates automatically, providing protection even when the driver's attention momentarily shifts. Side-turning accidents are another major risk in European cities. Active Sideguard Assist 2 addresses this by monitoring the blind spot and alerting the driver if someone enters the danger zone during turning maneuvers. Additional systems such as Lane Keeping Assist, Adaptive Cruise Control, and Driver Attention Monitoring add further layers of protection. These technologies are not luxuries. They are safeguards against fatigue, distraction, and unpredictable hazards. Lighting the job day and night. Visibility is essential on high-risk sites, and the Arocs leads in lighting technology. Standard LED headlights provide improved illumination while consuming less power. Optional full LED systems take things further with brighter light spread, longer range, and enhanced contrast. For off-road environments, protective stone guard grills reduce risk of damage, while specialized lighting configurations can be adapted to steel suspension vehicles and harsh conditions. Better lighting does not simply improve visibility, it reduces fatigue and improves reaction time, especially during night shifts. A digital command center on wheels. From July onwards, new Arocs models deployed in Europe will feature the multimedia cockpit, Interactive 2. This modern digital interface transforms the cabin into a true control center. A fully digital instrument display provides clear, real-time vehicle information. The central touchscreen allows intuitive control of vehicle systems, including power takeoffs and driving assistance functions. The system integrates directly with Truck Live, Mercedes-Benz's connected fleet platform. Through this system, operators receive real-time traffic data, navigation assistance, maintenance alerts, and software updates over the air. For fleet managers, this means increased uptime, improved route planning, and predictive maintenance scheduling. For drivers, it means fewer disruptions and smoother daily operations, built for the future of construction. Europe's construction industry is changing rapidly. Emission standards are stricter. Labor shortages are growing. Job sites are more complex than ever. Against this background, the Mercedes-Benz Arocs positions itself as more than a truck. It is an integrated working platform. By combining mechanical power, digital intelligence, safety leadership, and adaptability into one vehicle line, the Arocs represents the evolution of construction transport. It is not merely built to carry loads, it is built to reduce risk, minimize downtime, and maximize productivity. In the end, the success of a construction operation is not measured by machinery alone, but by reliability under pressure. And when the conditions worsen, the ground shifts, and deadlines tighten, the Arocs proves itself exactly where it matters most: in the real world. If you enjoyed seeing how real engineering meets real-world punishment, then you're in the right place. If this video taught you something new, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you want more of this kind of content. And if you don't want to miss the next breakdown of extreme machines, intelligent engineering, and future construction tech, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always first to watch. Until next time, stay curious, stay powerful, and keep building the future.